Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So like the title says, we're gonna be trying the new KKW body foundation, body shimmer powder and everything. I got my package yesterday, so I did order the day it came out. The first launch, I was like the first person to order. I had an alarm on my phone for 3 p.m. New York time, which is when it dropped, and by 3:01 I checked out. Also, disclaimer, the AC is on. It's 90 degrees in New York today, so, and I already filmed a video today without the AC and it was really hard on me. Like, it's exhausting, so I'm sorry, but I really need the AC and I put it on all the way low, so I'm still sacrificing. Also, if I get lipstick in my teeth, it's because I'm wearing 3 different lipsticks right now, and I will leave them down below. I ordered the day it came out. By 3:01 I was checked out, but I never got shipping updates. And when you buy from KKW or Kylie or a lot of places now, they text you shipping updates, and so I never got anything. Weeks went by. I think it was like 2 weeks. Never got anything. So then I saw that they were restocking and I'm like, okay, something happened. So I emailed them. Apparently my my order was just never shipped, so they shipped it overnight and then I got it. So it is relaunching today, so hopefully if you're interested, you purchase it because of my review, or don't, whatever you decide. I got it yesterday, like I said, and I have not opened it. Also, I want to just say I have ordered from KKW plenty of times and this has never happened to me before, so I'm guessing just because of the launch and it was a new launch, and maybe because I was one of the first orders, it just, I don't know, just something happened and never got shipped. So and I know it never got shipped because once I emailed them the next day, it said my order was shipped, and when I checked the tracking, it said that the label was created but it actually wasn't shipped yet. So that's how I knew for sure that it actually wasn't never shipped. But I mean, I'm not a person that's like really picky when it comes to stuff like that. It doesn't make me feel like, oh my god, that's terrible, like the brand is a scam, I'm never gonna order from them again. Like, I don't feel that way. But I'm just explaining to you guys why my review was late, because I would have gotten it up to you a long time ago. So anyway, this is what the products look like. I did post a little video and a picture on Instagram, my story. Everything is nude. So I picked up one of the like sets where it was the brush, the foundation, a shimmer powder, and then I picked up a separate shimmer liquid because I wanted to try 2 different colors to give you guys a good review. So I picked up the light medium foundation set. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need tan sometime this summer. If I get darker, I might. So I feel like, you can tell my face is lighter. I don't tan my face because of, you know, I don't want to get like sun damage. So it came with the Body Perfecting foundation, which packaging is on point. You get a lot in here. This is, I want to say like 4 or 5 ounces. 4 fluid ounces. Love the packaging, love the color. The brush does come in the plastic bag with the little Ziploc kind of situation. There's not much on here. It just says 1 brush. The brush, I'm not gonna lie, it does feel cheaper than the price, right? But I think that's obvious. Like, we kind of know that the actual like component is not gonna be amazing quality. Like, it's plastic, it's lightweight, but the hair feels really nice. In my opinion, I'd rather the brush itself be really nice quality and do the job and like buff in the product nicely, more than I care if this part is like plastic and, you know, not the fanciest thing ever. So you can see it is like a shiny plastic. Of course I would drop it. It's dense but still really soft on the body. Like, it feels really good. It does not feel like the Fenty Body Lava brush. The Fenty one is synthetic bristles, and it's this one's just a lot softer. You get the shimmer powder, which comes in this box. This is what it looks like. I got the bronze, so that's what that looks like. It does have a sifter, which, am I the only one that hates taking these off? Oh shit, this one's not hard. Oh yes, this one was easy to take off. Picked up the Skin Perfecting Body Shimmer in bronze. So like I said, you got to choose each component for your kit. So it was the brush, and then you got to choose your shimmer, your foundation, and your powder. So I picked up the bronze shimmer, the bronze liquid shimmer, and then the light medium foundation. And then on the side I purchased the pearl body shimmer. I'm really excited to swatch these. I've been talking forever, so let's do it. I'm gonna put it on the brush. Oh my god, I feel like that's a lot. Okay, so it came out really easily. The color looks good. And I'm gonna go right over the shoulder. Yeah, this definitely is too light. See, I thought it looked more medium. Yeah, that's really ashy, so I'm gonna need the color tan. I'm gonna try it on the inside of my arm here where it's a little bit lighter to see how it looks. So you can see, oh. So on the inside of my arm where it's a bit lighter, it did work well. That completely made a difference. It made my arm look more tan, and it made it match the rest of my skin tone better, because you know how sometimes like the back of your hands, the bottom of your foot, this part of your arms, they stay lighter just from years and years of not being exposed to sunlight. This one, but it looks super natural. Like that doesn't look like a fake tan. It does smell really good actually. It has like a tropical, it smells like coconut. So this is my leg without anything on it. I am, you know, decent tan right now. I am facing a window, natural lighting, so what you're seeing is not enhanced by studio lights or anything. I personally don't think I particularly have many like things that I would cover, but I guess, you know, a little beauty mark here, or, you know, hair follicles. I'm gonna keep it on this side so we can see a comparison. This brush is so nice. I definitely feel like you need the brush. So I definitely feel like you can see a huge difference. It makes your legs look super airbrushed. So this is the side with the foundation, and you can see the line of foundation right there, and this is the side without. Like, it really makes it look like you're wearing pantyhose. That's insane. It really, look at the difference. Side by side. This is the perfected side. So I do feel like a little bit of transferring when I like press it with my fingers. It feels a little sticky. And there's a little bit on my fingers, but she did say to set it with a powder. So I'm gonna finish putting it all over my leg, and then we're gonna put the shimmer powder on top to set it and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take some of the powder, put it in the cap. It's very glowy. This is what it looks like with all the foundation and the shimmer powder. Good. And I noticed that the powder, you don't need a lot, and it's not very like over the top, wet, like ridiculous shimmer that looks super glittery and like fake. It looks very healthy. So far I'm into it. I'm really impressed. I think that it does exactly what Kim said. The videos of it, it's all legit. It's just like the video. A few things to point out. Shimmer powder is a very nice loose fine powder. It's not glittery. It just gives a really nice luminosity. You see how the light is catching it and it looks like slightly wet? I feel like that's how I made my leg look. Like very luminous and glowy. It doesn't look super sticky and glittery. Another thing to note is you should put an even amount of the shimmer powder on the brush. When you tap it into the cap, and you dip your brush in, try to get the same amount of product all over the brush, because once you apply it, if the foundation underneath is still a little bit tacky, the powder kind of sticks to the area that is still wet, and then you get streakiness. I really did like the shimmer powder. I think that you get a decent amount of product. I feel like this will last a decent amount of time. I would only use this if I'm wearing like a mini skirt or shorts or a mini dress or something like I am right now. And if I was gonna put this on my shoulders, I would only use it with something like this, or if I'm wearing a bikini or something like that. I would not wear this if my skin is gonna be touching my clothes. So now let's try the shimmer liquid. It looks like on the back of my hand. Ooh, that looks really nice. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this one's not sticking to the brush. This one looks like the formula is thicker. You can see it balled up like a cream. Yeah, so you can tell that the bronze color kind of just goes right into my skin tone, which I like. But to me, that says that there's a darker color. I'm on the website. Okay, it turns out it's already been restocked and it's already selling out. So for the shimmering skin perfecting body shimmer, this is the darkest shade, which is kind of like, this should be a darker one, like darker people. Does it show up better on them maybe? And it feels a little bit cooling on the skin too, like a little bit refreshing. It just added a little bit of bronziness maybe, like compared to this side. Oh yeah, I see the difference now. Oh yeah, I see it. It's a lot more gold and bronzy, shimmery. I like that because it looks really healthy and glowy. Really excited to try pearl. I'll put it on the other side. Oh, that's pretty too. Again, it feels so refreshing. I think I see a bit of a difference. Like here I can see more gold and this side looks just a little bit more pink, I think. I'm gonna take bronze powder. I took a decent amount of it too, like I coated the brush with it. I'm gonna put it over. So let's take more of bronze and just go all over. I'm gonna put it on my arm so we can see what it looks like with nothing on. Ooh, that's pretty. You can definitely see the color of it more on my arms because my arms are lighter, but that is so pretty. Look at that. You can definitely see the difference there. And it just kind of like enhanced that tan. Imagine that in a picture and you're just like, yes, excuse me, who sent for you? Yes, I'm glowing to the gods. And yes, yes, yes. Okay, you know what? I think it won me over. By the way, it's been a minute, right, since my leg has dried, and I feel like my leg soaked up a lot of the product and it looks really, really natural. It doesn't look overdone. So I think that this color is actually good for me when I want a really natural, perfected look. I think that the bundle for the product is a really good deal, because I really recommend getting the brush to go with it, and I also recommend the shimmer. So I'm going to show you guys one of my varicose veins and we're going to see how the foundation covers it. So here's the vein. I'm going to put some of the foundation on it. So it definitely helped a little bit. I wouldn't say that it like completely covered it, but I definitely think maybe with another little bit it would do a good job. Obviously it's not going to take away the bumpy texture. I'm going to put a little bit more on it. So there's the vein that I covered. As you can see, it didn't like completely cover it. Overall, it does do a decent job of really making your legs look perfected and very smooth. I think overall, if you want like a miracle worker that's gonna make your legs look like you don't have any cellulite or veins and stuff, then obviously you need surgery. But I think for just a quick like perfecting, for going out, it definitely does the job. And then you could always layer it. I'm pretty impressed. It makes it more of a realistic product for people to use because it's easier to use. It doesn't stay oily. So yeah, I'm here for it. Are you guys here for it? Did you buy it? What do you think? I want to know your thoughts. I'm gonna go because I'm sweating. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay glam.